Hi guys, in this quick video, let's go over if Instagram user that we trying to get is not available. Maybe you are potentially looking or searching for a person and that person or username has not been found. And then you try to search using the search button, then you type here the account name, and it keeps on saying that that username is not available or currently not available, or it displays or defines nothing. Okay, if we are going to tap this profile and then go to edit profile and change or tap this username, and let's say I change this username to Marlo, and if that username is not available, is obviously that username is taken already, and there are possible reasons or so many reasons why that username is not available. And one of the possible reasons is maybe the Instagram has blocked that username or account. Or basically, that account or username has been deactivated or deleted the profile name or the profile account. And also, the Instagram has not yet released that account name. So in that case, there's no way around it. You just can't use that username or account name. Okay, what you need to do is to type all over and over and to check until that username is available to use. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot, and keep following for more video tips.